Welcome to Monkey's Talk and Unlock. The treasure chest is locked, and only you can help open it. You'll need your workbook cipher to unlock the secret message. Here's how it works. Every time you see a golden key, a number will appear. Write down the number. Then use your cipher in the front of your workbook to find the letter. At the end, you'll have a secret sentence to unlock the chest. Welcome back to Monkey's Talk and Unlock. Today we're reading What We Like at School. Let's learn together. Let's see what our monkey friends like to do at school. Milo likes music. He plays the drums after school. Lola likes art. She draws colorful pictures. Kiko likes math. He likes to solve puzzles. Do likes sports. He plays soccer with friends. Great job! Let's say it together. I like, he likes, she likes. Now it's your turn. What do you like at school? Say it with me. You unlocked the reading key. See you next time for more fun with Milo, Lola, Kiko and Do.